Last week, Car Detail Empire hosted a visit from some car fans from a Ford Care. Daniel, Chris and Carlia all have a passion for cars, and we were thrilled to have them in the workshop. Our detailers loved passing on some of their skills to these three enthusiasts, who were able to learn on a Porsche 718 owned by Andrew. No visit to Car Detail Empire would be complete without a celebratory drive, and we couldn't resist taking them for a spin in the freshly detailed Porsche. A special thanks to Moss and Michelle from a Ford Care for reaching out to us. It was an absolute pleasure to have all three of them in the shop last week.